On this one, they want you to determine where the function is discontinuous. And this is another piecewise, so there's 3 pieces. And it's somewhere between 7 and 9. So for the, it says in the yellow, pi x over 49. Remember, pi is really 3.14. So when you plug in x, any x is less than 7, you're going to get a value of whatever 3.14 times that number divided by 49 is. And so this is linear. It's a linear function for that part. And of course, when x is 0, if you put 0 in where x is, right here, you're going to get 0. So this thing is going to start at 0. And, well, anything less than 0. I know it's going to go through the origin. And then I don't know where it's going to come up to, it's going to be linear. And when you get up to the 7, there will be an open circle there because it's not an equal to. It just says less than 7, not equal to. So that's your yellow function. All right. The green one is pi over x, and that is for every x value between 7 and the 9. So that would include the 7 and the 9 with an equal to. But when you stick in pi over x, let's see, when x is, okay, let's go up to the yellow one again. When I choose the 7, because you're only dealing with 7 and 9 in these things right here, 7s and 9s. So if I have pi times 7 over 49, the 7 goes down into the 49 7 times, so I get pi over 7. So right here, this is whatever pi over 7 equals. Now when you go to the green one, which is pi over x, when you put in the 7, you get pi over 7. So the green one starts right here and includes that circle. It circles it in there. And then when you go to 9, it will be whatever pi over 9 is, but pi over 9 is smaller than pi over 7. I mean, think about it. You're taking a pie and you're dividing it into 7 pieces. Now you're taking a pie and dividing it into 9 pieces. So you get less of a piece of pie. So pi over 9, whatever the heck number that is smaller. So this now is still linear, but it comes down to here. And when you get to 9, that's a solid dot. And on the green one, that fills it in also, but it is green. So here's that function. And then for the last one, it is 2 pi x. And if I stick in a 9 there, that's 2 pi times 9. So we're looking at 18 pi. Now we're going from a fraction of a pi to 18 whole pies at 9, which is going to be way up here, 18 pi. And so the pink function is going to start way up here. Oh wait, but that'll be an open circle, sorry. That's an open circle because it's not an equal to. And again, it's linear. You know, if you stick in 10, you'll have 20 pi, and then, you know, keep going. So that's going to go in that direction. And that is my pink function. And so I can see that there is a gap right here. It's discontinuous at the 9. Let's see. Determine where the function is discontinuous. It's discontinuous at the 9, not at the 7, because when the 7 actually gets included in the green graph, not in the yellow, but in the green graph. But at 9, there's a big jump. So when I go back here, the function is just discontinuous at 9. It doesn't ask me how it's discontinuous, but it is a jump. It is a jump discontinuous. So how did I do? There it is. And that is the last problem that they do in the reading and participation activity. So this playlist is complete.